From One Blue Jays Way in Toronto, welcome to Rogers Center. Diamond Dynasty Baseball coming your way on the show. It's the All-Stars going up against the Bats. All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this. Just about to get underway. And on the mound in this one, Shohei Ohtani. How about a scouting report on him?
He has great stuff, Boog, but what I love most is his drive. You know, when he takes the ball, he's going to give you everything he's got and try to pitch deep into the ball game. He's a true competitor, which makes it easy for his teammates to play hard for him. We're not going to see him take many pitches off. I can promise you that.
On the ground. Turner with the throw to first. One up, one down. Ozzie Albies up to the plate. Albies measures 5 feet 8 inches, 26 years old, and he's a native of Curaçao. Slashed foul down the right side. That'll hook off into the seats. Up the middle. In plenty of time to first. And a couple of quick outs. 2 down, bases empty. Ceddanne Rafaela will hit next. That one ripped right center field. Ramirez going back, and it one-hops the wall. And he starts his afternoon off right with a double.
Wastes no time there. A well-deserved double on a great swing. Got everything going on time. He stayed balanced and he squared it up about as well as you could possibly ask.
Here's Matt Olson. Swinging a foul straight back. 2 outs and 1 in scoring position. And that one way outside. And now it's even 1-1. The 1-1 is fouled off.
These hitters like this that have so much power, look forward to seeing them hit the ball a long way. But if you're in the stands, or you're in a broadcast booth, or you're a writer, better keep your eye on the game.
Comes up empty as he chases that one in the dirt. Smith gathers, throws. That completes the strikeout, inning over. Back here with my pal Singy, and on the hill today, Tom Glavine.
Anytime you have 5 pitches to work with on the mound, that repertoire can be a real weapon in terms of keeping hitters off balance, man. It's one of those things that I'm going to be looking for in this one. Does he have a feel for all of those pitches, or is he just able to get 1 or 2 over in the strike zone where he wants? Now, it's tough to do to be able to command all those pitches, but if he can, he is going to be very tough for the opponent today.
There's a swing and a miss.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout. Shohei Ohtani up to the dish. Late on that fastball.
Well, Boog, with Ohtani on the mound today, you think about how big of a star he's become in the U.S., but his dog, Decoy, stole the show away from his master when he was being awarded his 2nd MVP. It's just so darn cute.
Swing and a miss, and he chases that one in the dirt. And there's 2 gone following the strikeout. So digging in, Manny Ramirez.
You're best when you let the game come to you. Tried to make too much happen right there. Not his best at bat.
0-1's the count.
2 outs. Out to short. Bogarts handles the chance. Gets it to first. And that ends the inning. Back here at Rogers Center. And here is Ronald Acuna Jr. Ohtani back to work. And that's fouled off. Next pitch is outside. That one missed. Just
Nope,
missed.
that's the ball.
First pitch strike from the pitcher, but then no panic at all by the hitter. Very patient, showing good discipline. Now he's in the driver's seat with the 3-1 count.
Gets a piece and stays alive.
I wouldn't throw him another breaking ball. Try to go again with the fastball, slightly elevated. He just is having a hard time catching up.
That one misses. So a leadoff walk.
Well, that's a nice job of grinding out that at bat. Saw a lot of pitches and ends up drawing the walk. Very gritty.
Here's Austin Riley. And the first pitch misses for ball 1.
Riley used to be a pitcher back in the day, Boog. In fact, fans used to give him a hard time in his rookie ball days because he started the season with a long slump. He'd get messages questioning if he should go back to pitching, but turns out he made the right choice.
Parker makes the catch, and there's one gone. So up next, Chipper Jones. Swing and a ground ball and foul ball. And a foul ball.
It's a tough pitch, but in terms of the best pitch you're going to get to hit in the at-bat, that fastball was down enough where you're going to catch up to one. That's the one. When he elevates, hitters aren't touching it.
Now Xander Bogaerts gets a chance to hit. And first offering is fouled off. Two outs. And it's fouled away. Line drive. Chipper fires to first. Bogaerts retired. And that will end the inning. Bottom of the inning. Now the left fielder, Kyle Schwarber. Fouls one off out of play. Back to our left. And the pitch. Breaking ball through there for a strike. Up the middle, and he knocks it down. The throw is still in time, and they come away with an out after a tricky start to the play. Here comes Freddie Freeman up to hit. That one ripped. Base hit.
Well, no waiting around right there. He was ready to swing it on the first pitch. Just a cookie down the middle. I mean, those are the ones you dream about. The ones in the cage, you're just hoping you get in the ball game. Right down the middle, not a whole lot of velocity, right on top of it.
And he's down 0-2 as he swings through it.
0-2 is the count.
Ground ball left side, and that's just foul. Got him swinging for the strikeout. Trying to wiggle out of a rundown now. Dives for the bag. Got him. Double play. On to the third inning. Here's the catcher, Sean Murphy. Started after it, tried to hold up. Now a look to first, and he went, says Larry Bullard. Here comes the 0-1. Comes up empty. That's strike two.
Love to see it. Power versus power right there.
Foul ball still 0-2. And a swing and a miss. And Kay is his third of the game. Back to the top of the lineup. Profar climbs in on that left side. 0 for 1 so far. Ground ball to the right side. He'll do it himself. First two batters retired here in the top of the third. Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit. Grounded out his first time up. And Freeman, the Gold Glover, makes the play. He takes it on his own, and it's a 1-2-3 inning. Back now in Toronto as we go to the last of the third. And now Chipper Jones. Fouled off left side.
Well, these guys definitely being aggressive at the plate, but I think it's fair to wonder if they're being a little over aggressive. I'm specifically talking about the first pitch. These batters are swinging more than 80% of the time, which is fine if you're scoring runs, but that hasn't been the case today.
Down to the dirt, swing and a miss. In time. And the drop third strike leads to the first out. And up to the plate is Will Smith. Swings through that one.
0-1's the count.
And a swing and a miss there.
Well, this can be kind of frustrating for the hitting coach. Right now, this lineup seems to be swinging at everything.
That misses, and it's 1-2.
1 ball, 2 strikes the count.
Fans another, and that's 3 straight strikeouts. Trey Turner at the plate. Hard ground ball, base knock. So a 2-out knock keeps the inning alive.
Now batting, the right fielder, Dave.
So the batting order turns over, and now the right fielder, Dave Parker. Swinging a foul out of play. Still tied at 0, last of the third. Turner runs. Pitch misses. He's safe at second, and that was not close. Swing and a miss, and he was fooled.
That pitch started in and ended up on the outside edge. Just changing planes and very difficult, especially for a left-handed hitter to track.
Swing and a miss. That one in the dirt. Murphy fires to first. That completes the strikeout, and that'll do it. And welcome back to the ballpark. Here's the center fielder, Ceddanne Rafaela. Up the middle. Now the throw to first on the run. Got him. Nice play. Here is Matt Olson.
Well, we talked about how the ball is coming out of a pitcher's hand. The way it comes out of his hand as an infielder, wow, really impressive.
To first, 2 quick outs here in the top of the fourth. And now it's Ronald Acuna Jr. He reached on a walk his first time. And that misses. Ball 1. Acuna in his 6th season, 27 years old, and he was born in Venezuela. And another ball.
He's clearly trying to work him away here. Both pitches off the plate. If you really want to put the ball in play, you're going to have to stay back and drive it to the opposite field.
He swings and hits a fly ball, center field. And that is that. And we're back. And now, Shohei Ohtani. Pretty amazing athlete this guy is. Power and speed, quite a threat. I mean, you're talking about someone that could steal you a bag and go deep. Bo Jackson, anyone?
When you have a real athletic player and who's able to do the baseball mechanical things really well, look out, because the sky's the limit on that potential.
Slings to first, 1 out in the bottom of the fourth.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air, lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
Ramirez, the batter now, as he swings and misses for strike 1. Off the mark there, and the count is 1-1. Swing and a miss.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Cut on and miss. Struck him out. Picks up strikeout number 7. Kyle Schwarber comes up to hit here. Swings through that.
0-1's the count.
Inside, just missed. Swing and a miss. That is strike 2.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
Fouls it back with 2 strikes. 2 outs, base is empty. That's down and in.
This guy's a fun guy to watch taking at bat. He just battles up there. He doesn't take a pitch off at all. Makes it so difficult on the pitchers out there. You can tell they get frustrated with how long it takes to put him away. Pulled that one right in the direction of the shifted defense, but no one could make a play on it. I mean, that's his approach, and it's probably not changing.
Freeman now at the plate as he swings through strike 1. Schwarber leads off first with 2 down to the inning. Swing and a miss, and he got him to chase.
No ball, 2 strikes.
And that one goes straight to the backstop. Now throw to first, but back easily. 2 outs. Swing and a miss, and that is that. Back here at Rogers Center, stepping in, Austin Riley. Ohtani back to work. And a foul ball. All right, Singer, you know I'm a dork. Shohei Ohtani, go back to May 5th, 2022 at Fenway Park. He tossed a complete game through 99 pitches. Get this, 81 strikes. It was the most strikes thrown with less than 100 pitches in a game since they started tracking pitch counts.
That's just unreal.
Stays alive. To the right side, Trey Turner gloves it, tosses to first, and the leadoff man set down in their half of the 5th. Now Chipper Jones struck out swinging his first time. Outside, 1 out, bases empty. Here's a swing and a drive left field, and he knew it. And they grab the lead. It's 1-0.
That's the exact definition of hitting the ball where it's pitched, taking that outside fastball and driving it the opposite way out of the ballpark. You want to bottle that type of approach.
Here's Bogarts now. Outside with a breaking ball. Bogarts, who wears that number 2 on his back for his idol, Derek Jeter. Check swing, and he went. And the count 1-1. Swing, and he breaks his bat. Ohtani pulls it down, and there are 2 outs. 2 outs, base is empty. So here's Murphy now.
It's a good recovery, though, after giving up the home run. Not allowing it to stay in the head, but going to work at the next hitter, and a tough one at that.
And it's strike 2.
He got away with one there, but he knows he can't go into that spot very often against a guy like this.
Swings and misses, struck him out. We head to the bottom of the 5th. Here's Jose Ramirez. Swings through that one, out in front that time.
The count.
In there at the knees, 0-2. See ya! Strikes him out for the 2nd time today. And the batter will be the shortstop, Chipper Jones. On the ground, right side. Olsen steps on the bag, 2 up, 2 down. The batter now will be Will Smith. He struck out swinging at his first at bat. This to third, Jones. Over to first, 3 up, 3 down, inning over. Back now in Toronto. New inning getting started. Now batting Jurickson Profar. Profar gets a piece there. That misses the zone, and it's a ball and a strike. Just missed.
Good fastball there. I think it was a purpose pitch. Just want to make that hitter's feet uncomfortable, and that location will definitely do it.
Man, that got him square in the mask. And that one is in the dirt. And the count's full. That's foul off to the right side. Keeps the AB going. Into center. Schwarber on the run. Hauls it in, and there's one away. And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Ozzie Albies. Has grounded out a couple of times. And first offering is fouled off. Next offering is fouled back. Base is empty, one away, and we're the top half of the sixth. Swings through that, and it's a strikeout. Now 5 strikeouts for him on the mound. So 2 down now, and here is Ceddanne Rafaela, 1 for 2. That one the other way. Turner on to first, and that is that. Well, we go bottom 6. Here's Turner now. Tap foul at the plate.
When a guy's throwing a lot of first pitch strikes as a hitter, you got to be ready to hit. Now, that's not going to help you get deep into his pitch count and into the bullpen, but you got to take what he's offering that day.
So Trey goes down on strikes. Dave Parker getting ready to hit. Swing and a miss. Strike one.
Boog, over 80% of his first pitches are strikes. You're doing that, you could have a really good day out there on the mound.
Comes up empty.
No balls, 2 strikes.
And there's a ball. Home team down a run here in the bottom of the 6th. Strike 3, and that's 2 in a row. Here's Shohei Ohtani cruising on the mound right now, but a dangerous hitter here in this spot. A guy with some slug to him. Out in front with the swing, and that is strike 1.
0-1's the count.
Swing and a miss. And it's 0-2.
0-2 is the count.
And ball 1.
1 ball, 2 strikes the count.
Swings and misses. And he strikes out the. And welcome back to the ballpark. And now the first baseman, Matt Olson.
Now pitching. Adrian.
Morejon goes 5 feet 11 inches, 26 years old, and he was born in Cuba. On the ground at first, and it goes just foul. And that one fouled off. Comes up empty as he chases that one in the dirt. Smith gathers, throws, in time to get him. One away in the strikeout. Here's Ronald Acuna Jr. at the plate. He's 0 for 1. And that is out of play. Fly ball center field. Parker hustling after it. Makes the catch for the out. Austin Riley at the plate. 0 for 2 in this one. And first offering is fouled off. Foul ball. Throw on to Freeman, and that is the inning. And we're back, bottom of the seventh, and now the center fielder, Manny Ramirez. And fouled off. Looking to get the tying run on base. Late swing, fouled off. Swing and a miss, and he chases that one in the dirt. Murphy gathers, throws to first, gets him. One away on a drop third strike.
Well, maybe approaching this at bat with a bit too much determination. Sometimes you just got to let the game come to you.
Schwarber in the box now, takes strike one.
Pretty amazing, his first pitch strike percentage, over 90%. You know you're getting something in the zone first pitch. So if you're a hitter, you got to be ready to let it fly, even though he's had a lot of success on that first pitch of the at bat.
Swings and misses, and one down below the zone. Gets to it on to first. Out. 2 away now after the drop third strike. Here is Freddie Freeman.
Just not a good pitch to swing at. One reason he's an everyday player is he usually lays off of that jump.
Swing, and that one's hammered. Deep drive. Way back there. That should put a jolt into this home crowd. And we are starting over. It's 1-1.
A good hitter gets pitch recognition early. He saw exactly where that was going to be. The challenge, not get over anxious and come out of your swing. He stayed on it and got all of it.
Now it's Jose Ramirez, who's 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts. That one fouled off.
Ball game is still tied. They can get out of this inning with a tie game.
The 0-2. Center field. Rafaela under it. Makes the catch, inning over. Ready to begin the 8th. Here's the third baseman, Chipper Jones. A swing and a miss as he chases way out of the zone. Swing and a miss. And the count is 0-2.
A little anxious, a little aggressive early in the count. Too much for me.
Got him swinging. Now here's Xander Bogaerts now. Ball one, no strikes. All tied up, and we're in the top of the 8th. And that's off the outside edge. And now 2-0. Bounding ball here, rolls foul. One down, base is empty. Sliced hard, but foul. Right side. Into the outfield, base hit. And the go-ahead run is on base. Here's Sean Murphy. Lots of pop at the plate. Outfield playing back almost on the warning track. Ground ball left side, could be 2. Over to Turner for 1. On to Freeman. Double play. Inning over. Ready for the bottom of the 8th. Here's the shortstop at the plate. Chipper Jones. Glavin back to work. Little chopper rolls foul. And downstairs.
Ball 2.
Swings through that one for strike 2.
This game has been so tight. Feels like the next team to score will win it.
Goes down looking. Will Smith to the plate. First round pick out of Louisville in 2016. Ground ball up the middle. Albies jumps, throws. Nicely done for the out. Here's Trey Turner.
Well, there's a lot riding on that at bat right there. Nice job of the pitcher to bear down, make the pitch, get the ground ball. Excellent piece of work.
Swing and a miss. Missed that by a mile. And it's 0-1. Way out front for strike 2.
Man, he is just dialed in right now. Every pitch thrown with so much conviction.
2 down, nobody on. Swing and a miss. Curveball in the dirt. Murphy fires to first. Got him. Inning over on the strikeout. All set to start the 9th in this one. Now it's the switch hitting outfielder, Jurickson Profar. Swung on, popped up left side. And it's caught for the out. Now it's the second baseman, Ozzie Albies. 0 for 3 with 2 groundouts and a strikeout. And he grounds one back up the middle. Gets it to first. And that quickly 2 away. At the plate, Ceddanne Rafaela. 1 for 3. And that's fouled off. Strike 2.
This guy's not wasting any pitches. Hitters got to get into swing mode. This is a good time to expand the zone. Throw something maybe down in the dirt.
Parker gets under it. And that's the 3rd out. Back here at Rogers Center. And now here is Dave Parker. And that one fouled off. This guy's got good power. With one swing, he can win it for him. Swing and a miss. There's the changeup.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Down to the dirt, swing and a miss. Murphy fires to first. Got him. 1 away on the strikeout. And next is the designated hitter, Shohei Ohtani. Swings and misses at the breaking ball in the dirt.
I mean, his pitch efficiency, ability to get ahead in the count, at times pitch to contact, let the defense work behind him. That's why he's still in the game here in the 9th inning.
Albies over to first in time. And they get Ohtani for the out. Manny Ramirez now at the plate. 0 for 3 with 2 strikeouts and a ground out. Here comes the closer here in the 9th, Kenley Jansen. He has a great slider with tons of movement. Swing and a miss. There's the slider. It's 0-1.
The count.
Fought off foul. 2 down, nobody on. Here in the last half of inning number 9. Swing and a miss. And now Matt Olson up to hit.
The first baseman, Matt Olson. Now pitching. Oh, this.
Shortened the bunt and missed it. 0-1.
As a pitcher, you know the runner on second is ready to push things with his speed. A base hit's probably going to be a big run, so you really have to execute on the mound.
In the dirt, blocked. Well done behind the dish. Safe at first as they can't make the play. And here comes Ronald Acuna Jr. in a huge spot. Turner on his horse. Brings it in. And there's one away. And the batter now, Austin Riley. 0 for 3 in this one. With the go-ahead run at third, here in the top half of the 10th. Here goes the runner. Swing and a miss.
1 ball, 2
The throw, tag, and he's out. Here's the tag, and he's out. That's out number 3.
Now running at second base, number 4.
Back now in Toronto. Here's the left fielder, Kyle Schwarber.
The left fielder, Kyle Schwarber.
And a swing and a miss.
Well, strike one is so critical in a bat like this with a real threat at the plate looking to do damage.
Swing and a miss. 0-2 now.
He's falling behind in a huge spot, Boo. Got to do what it takes to come through. Maybe choke up on the bat a little bit, spread out those feet, whatever it takes.
Jansen fires. That one down the line. He steps on the bag, and they get the leadoff man in the 10th.
Good slider inside right there. Batter fighting to get there, just rolled over it, got the ground ball.
Clutch situation, and here comes one of the best hitters in these spots, Freddie Freeman. Swinging a foul out of play. Towards first. The winning run crosses the plate, and they walk it off in extra innings. And your final score here today, 2-1.
Vamos a ir. Vamos a ir.